His Excellency Ibrahim.
Your Excellency, the Executive Governor, State, Alhaji Dr. Former National the PDP 2023 Presidential Aspirant, Your Excellency, Accountant General of the Federal Republic of Nigeria, Kano State. We welcome you to Katsina State, sir, and I will start by welcoming you and at the same time passing our unreserved apology on what happened the other day. It is beyond our making. We are very, very much apologetic. Please, sir, Your Excellency Dr. Ibrahim Shehu Shema, our party leader, please extend further apology to His Excellency Barrister Wike. So, you are welcome to Katsina State. Katsina State is the home of heritage and hospitality. And you can see it. We can see it. They are very much happy welcoming you to Katsina State. And we identify by your aspiration to become the President of the Federal Republic of Nigeria. So, but as, you know, committed party men, we don't take sides because the aspirants, we understand, are 15 in number. So you have come to greet us, and then your message will be thoroughly perused and understood in the best of understanding. Thank you. You are welcome to Katsina State.
Vernacular and go into English. That one we can understand ourselves clearly. And I'll repeat precisely what I said in the Hausa language and even more. We have so many things in common with you. You and I are lawyers. And so many of our team here are equally members of the profession, especially my good friend, former Attorney General of the Federal Republic of Nigeria, Mohammed Bello Adoke. Siriaki, and the Senator of our capital, Aduda, we're here. Your Excellency, the truth of the matter is that you have blazed the trail. You've been fearless, you've been consistent, you've been a fighter, and you have what it takes to lead Nigeria. I do believe and share the same opinion you express here in this hall. The conversation in Nigeria of today should not be about which tribe, which religion, which region, or which culture. He said so. The conversation should be about what the local populace are facing in terms of insecurity, poverty, hunger, literacy, unemployment, and bad economy. Unless the conversation moves in this direction, leaders cannot be serious. Anybody who is not willing to take up this challenge and look at the populace and address what their true and genuine concerns are will only be interested in power for himself. I'm glad, Your Excellency, we share the same vision. We're thinking in the same direction. And we hope Nigeria after 2023 will be a better, more prosperous, more focused, and more leader of Africa and the Black Belt. We are in a sort of state, Your Excellency. The nation has gone so low. Somebody sent me a message just about a day and a half ago or 2 days ago. And he claimed that the rating, the man is in this one, he's a media guy. He said the rating of this administration of APC has gone down. They should be rated. They cannot be rated, rather. I said, no, they can be rated. Their rating is below 0. That's the truth. They are below 0 in terms of everything you can think of in governance. And therefore, Your Excellency, ladies and gentlemen, we stand with you, we fight with you for the cause of Nigeria and Nigerians. I'm glad your brand of politics is focused on the nation and its people. I'm happy and proud of that. I'm proud you're a member of our profession too. You came to the national headquarters one time. Everybody is talking about Wike, everywhere. And you say, why is it Wike, only when it comes to issues that affect other people? When it comes to my support for the party, it's Wike. But now you put a new touch to it. You told our people, think Wike, talk Wike, sleep Wike, and vote Wike. I'm borrowing your words. So, Excellency, we'll be very happy to receive you regularly and continuously in Katsina. You just told us here that Katsina is your state, so make it your state. You came here last time, there was massive crowd. The crowd did not allow you to see these gentlemen who are here today. But you're back because of your love for Katsina, your trust to the leadership in Katsina, and your trust to the people of Katsina. You're welcome back. And by the special grace of God, we'll continue to work for the success of our party and your...
Today, I have come to talk to you who are delegates to the 28th, 29th of our convention of our party to choose who will fly the flag of our party to defeat APC in 2023. I want to tell you this, and I was speaking to our leader in the car, and I asked him, the President of the Federal Republic of Nigeria is from where? Is from where? Is from where? Is there any project for federal government? No. Is there any project for federal government? No. Do you have security in Katsina State? No. The only project they brought to you is bandits. I am saying this now so that when people come to you, they tell you, you see, I'm from north, I'm from south, I'm from east, I'm from west. No more. No more. You require somebody who will give you security in Katsina State. You require somebody who will bring projects to Katsina State. You require somebody who will appreciate the people of Katsina State. This election we are going to with somebody who has the courage, somebody who can stand firm, somebody who can withstand APC and win APC in the election. Let me tell you, nobody will dash you power. Do you understand me? Nobody will dash you power. APC will not dash you this power. Do you understand? We will take this power back from APC. I don't know whether you understand what I'm saying. We will take the power back from APC and give back to PDP on behalf of Nigeria. I am that person who can withstand APC and win them. I'm not going to run an election to answer former presidential candidates. That is not why I came out to. If it is that one, I can go and collect ticket from any party and become former presidential candidate. I came out because I know I would win the election. So don't make mistake. Hunger does not know not. Does hunger know not? Does hunger know whether you're from South? Poverty, does it know Muslim? Does it know Christian? Does not know. Does not know. So nobody should use that again to cheat us. We must have to go for who will win an election for PDP in 2023. If you give me the ticket in May 28th to 29th, and that day they announced me as the presidential flag bearer of our party, go home and sleep with your two eyes closed. I will defeat APC come February 2023. And if I don't get the ticket, which is not correct, I will get it. Because looking at their faces, I know you have made your mind to give me. Not so. If I don't get it, I will still work for anybody who emerges as a candidate of the party. Because what we are talking about is how PDP will take back power. How we can solve the problem of insecurity. How we can solve the problem of hunger. You cannot go to farm again. Your wives cannot go to farm. When they go to farm, they will be kidnapped. They will be raped. When Shema was governor, was it what was happening here? Did it happen like that? You were able to trade with your neighbors. Trade. But today, no more. Everybody's afraid. Everybody's afraid. Can we continue to live in fear? Can we continue to leave this country to these people that have failed us?
Thanks for checking out SYMFONI on YouTube. Please be sure to subscribe and like our videos for updates.